An issue on these cars nowadays is the wear and tear on the buttons, which doesn't look acceptable. So what we're going to do is try and replace them with some internet purchase ones. I didn't actually even ask if you can get them genuine, which I would normally do. So we're going to replace these. So there's a lot of eBay sellers. I'm not going to tell you which one to use. They're probably all the same. And to get your trim pieces off, basically just lean on the other button. Don't lean on other trim you don't want damaged. All right. One. All right. That won't get under there, will it? Too big. All right, one each side. So not made in West Germany. R for right. They are side dependent. You can see the models: C-Class, E-Class, ML, 218. What's that? CLS or something? I don't even know. All right. So they look basically the same. Some of these things seem to get knocked off at the factory and still have part numbers on them. All right. Unlock at the top. Yep. And to fit these pieces, you basically just push them in. So I'm just getting my son to have a go at doing some minor tasks. Click it in. Good. All right.
There we go.
Good. All right.
Cheers,
Looks good. One. Now, that was annoying. Unlock at the top. Line up the little tabs. Good.
That didn't go in right, did it?
Yeah.
No.
And that's both sides done for about, I don't know, $8 or $9 US.